How to log into Lendwise Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Lendwise Mortgage login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Log in Lendwise Mortgages. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of sign up and go through the process. Once you create your account, you can log into it. First up, type in your email address. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can head towards the mortgage section and get access to it. So this way you can easily log into Lendwise Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.